So in the commercial kitchen, gas ranges are pretty much universally used. They're very popular, they're tried and true, people love them. But they're also something that you should consider for your residential kitchen too. And I'm gonna go through some of my favorite options and what I think you should look for to get that perfect gas range. So I think there's three things you should consider when you're looking at a gas oven. First is that gas produces a natural moisture that aids in cooking roasts or breads or pastries or whatever. Number two, you also want to consider that the fact that when gas burns off, it's a natural convecting action, so you get some circulation. Most of them are going to have a fan, but you're going to get some circulation additional to that. Thirdly, you're going to have a broiler. This is an infrared broiler. It's not your everyday electric broiler. Infrared broiler, it can get up to temperatures between 1500 and 1800 degrees. As you can see, there's a lot of choices for gas ranges, and I hope you consider it for your next kitchen remodel. And also remember that oftentimes the gas ranges are less expensive, more economical than their dual fuel siblings. Thanks so much for your time. Have a great day.